much motherfucking design on right now.
Bring it down, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap. Wear that thing, bitches on my line, and you know.
After this, what we play at the Afgan house. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Assalamualaikum, Afgan.
Hey bro, how are you?
I'm fine, bro.
How are you, bro?
I'm fine to thank you. Let's. Oh yes. Please come in. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Hey, come on, bro. Have a seat. Hey, Nuril, how about we play a game?
What game is it?
Oh, what we play?
Let's go!
I didn't wreck.
Where?
Yes, you win the game, bro! Yeah, good game. Hey, bro, I'm hungry. Are you hungry? Okay, how about we make a chicken crush?
That's a good idea.
What do you think, Nuril?
Yeah, I agree with you.
Okay, let's we make a chicken smash.
Wait. Something missing?
What?
Oh, but I coffee meat. I have some coffee here.
Okay, let's go. We make it. Okay, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a chicken crush. First, tools and material needed is chicken, cucumber, tomato, salt, royco, chili, marinade, baking powder, seasoned flour, cabbage, basil, and milk. Okay, the first step is wash the chicken until it's clean. Okay, the next step is marinate the chicken. We use the Desaku marinade. And then mix it until all the marinade. And then the chicken wait until 13 minutes.
And then to make dry flour, put a bucket of seasoned flour in bowl. And mix with 400 gram of wheat flour. And add little bit of baking powder.
The next step, put the chicken up in the flour. And then prepare the ice water. After the chicken is dipped in the flour, dip in the water twice. The next step is pour the oil into the pan. And then add the oil. Wait the oil until it's hot. After the oil is hot, and then slowly dip the chicken into the pan. And then fry until golden brown with the small fire. And then remove the chicken after golden brown.
Next, make the sambal.
First,
Put the chili, garlic, salt, royco into the mortar and grind until smooth. Flash with hot oil.
The next step is smack down the chicken. First, put the chicken on the mortar and then smack down. And add the sambal on the top of the chicken. And finally, you can enjoy the chicken smackdown. And you can eat it with rice to make it more full. And this is one of the best chicken smackdown in the world.